I'll show you how to install the Rode PSA1 Plus using the clamp. This is the point where you insert the microphone. This is the Rode PSA1 Plus. And there are cable organizers. Most important is the head here, it's adjustable. This thing, you can open it like this, and now it's ready. Makes a bit of funny noise. Put this into the insert to tighten it really well. Clockwise. Insert it. Okay. It's really wow, it's spinning freely like this, left and right. You can bring the microphone closer or further away and rotate it. It's ready. I just have to install now the microphone here. First I want to route the XLR cable and I'm going to bring it to the end here. And from here, just clamp it in one place. Okay, so you have this cable organizer thing. You can clamp the cable there. Here I have the Rode NT1 microphone. This is the shock mount and I can insert this shock mount. So you should spin clockwise to insert it and counterclockwise to remove it. Okay, so this is all the way inserted there, and now I have this adjusting thing that will allow me to move up and down. So I will just move it like this. This is how I keep it usually. So this looks pretty good. It's not tightened, but it's already very solid there. When I move it, it doesn't make that sound. So that's really good. Okay, so now I'll insert the microphone. Make sure it's tight. This is the Rode NT1 microphone, and this addressing side should be towards the pop filter, towards you. And here you just place the microphone in the middle and you spin that ring. Make sure it's rotated properly. Check this shock mount, it's all good. Now the XLR cable just goes in here. I prefer to have it like this, vertical. Then you have to plug in the audio interface to the computer, adjust the levels. You can use headphones, give it phantom power like this. And now the microphone is ready. So I'll do a test now. I will speak this, I will say this later. I'll make this extra recording so you can hear how exactly it sounds like. I'm gonna speak something like this. This is the distance and this is only a test. Test 1, 2, 3, test 1, 2, 3. This is the microphone from here and this is now the microphone from here. I'll record it separately. So now you hear the microphone from the Rode NT1. And now you hear the microphone from the Primo DIY microphone. Yeah, very nice. That's the Rode PSA1 Plus. Thanks for watching.